In the previous learning unit, I covered the different ad channels, formats, and how to best use them in your efforts. In learning unit 3, I will be going through the different stages of the customer journey and how to address them with your ads. We'll kick this off by learning about customer personas and the framework to create one for your business. Customer personas are fictionalized characters that you create after conducting some research on your target audience. It represents the firmographics and demographics of your ideal customer. Creating a customer persona can help you to better understand users' needs, experiences, goals, and behavior. Looking at this framework, there are a few different elements that you need to include in your customer persona. We encourage you to include a name, age, and occupation, but the most important elements are their goals and frustrations. Customer personas are an incredibly beneficial tool when planning various types of digital marketing campaigns and are also sorely underused. Many digital marketers are brief in their customer analysis and tend to make guesswork out of it. It is ideal and highly recommended to use data-backed research to build your customer persona, which is something that will be covered in a later lesson. For an accurate and detailed look into your customer base. Following identification of your customers' goals and frustrations, you need to input these two elements into your jobs to be done framework. The word jobs here is used in the framework to explain what customers are trying to achieve when they make a purchase. Here's two examples of a jobs to be done framework. When I am working on the go, I want a laptop with a long battery life so I can be mobile and not be stuck next to a wall plug. The frustration in this is the inability to be mobile and being reduced to standing by with power for a laptop with a short battery life. Now, the goal as a result is a laptop with a long battery life. Another way to view jobs to be done is to see them as the things customers are trying to achieve in very specific circumstances. What is the exact problem they're facing and how can it be solved? You can also look at it as a before and after comparison. Let's look at the next example. When I'm hungry at work, I want a convenient snack so I can keep my fingers clean and continue working. This example is both a specific situation and a before scenario. The before is saying I'm stuck and I want a convenient snack, while the after is saying so I can keep my hands clean while working. These are some ways to describe a specific circumstance in a jobs to be done framework, which will help you understand how to better market your products to your customer base. In the next lesson, I will be going through what to do before creating a customer persona through advanced Google search operators, Google Trends, and many other tools.